Welcome to 2D Anime. Ella's mother snores. Mom! What happened, Mom? You look tired. Everything is okay?
My company has a lot of work. I have to finish this task. Otherwise, Mrs. Lulu will be angry with me. And it's a lot of work.
But I see you are sleepy. You should sleep early.
No way, Ella. I need to finish my task. It is very important to complete this task.
Mom! Tomorrow is the parent meeting at school. And you must come to my school.
What? Is tomorrow Sunday?
That's right. Tomorrow is Sunday.
I got it. I will go. Ella, you should go to sleep first. Sleeping early and waking early is very good. I need to finish work.
I know, Mom. It's morning, Mom. You haven't woken up yet. Looks like Mom worked all night. No matter how I called her, she wouldn't wake up. There is a way. I should use that method. I'll turn on the heating. When it's too hot, Mom will wake up. Remote activation.
Why is it so hot? It's terribly hot. What is happening? Feels like I'm at a fire. A fire? Maybe this house is burning. Ella, there's a fire. Please wake up.
Mom!
Ella, you wake up. Why is this room so hot? Why is he room getting so hot?
I turned on the heating so that their room gets warm.
Why did you do that?
I have to do that. You sleep too deep. I tired so hard to wake you up. I can't wake you up.
Ella, next time you can't do that. This is very dangerous.
I got it.
What do you want with me?
Mom, do you forget? Today you have a parent meeting at my school. And you have to go to my school with me.
I remember. What time is it?
It's 9 a.m., Mom.
What time does the meeting start?
9:30 a.m., Mom.
What? I have to go now. Let us not be late.
Today I will talk about the students' results for last semester. So,
Evie. Evie. Please wake up.
Miss Evie, did you lose sleep yesterday? Did you not get enough sleep?
I'm sorry. I had a lot of tasks. I had to finish that work. So I worked overnight.
Let's continue the meeting. and listen to me carefully. Thank you for attending today's meeting. I will send detailed information via email. Miss Evie. Miss Evie.
Hi, Teacher Ken.
The meeting ended.
Really? I fell asleep. I was very sleepy.
Miss Evie, I want to ask you. Please be honest.
What's up?
You hate me, don't you?
What are you saying? Why are you saying that? I don't hate you at all.
So why do you sleep during meetings? You didn't listen to anything I said.
I said I worked last night.
I hate when I'm talking and someone falls asleep. Miss Evie, please wake up.
Mom, I'm hungry. Please make me lunch for me.
I'm too lazy to make lunch. I can TT cook.
Convenience stores don't take cash anymore.
You take my card and buy it.
I know, Mom.
Wait, Ella. I forgot. Ella is very wasteful. You cannot buy anything other than a burger. I should go with her. But I'm so sleepy. I can't go with her.
Mom, I bought 2 burgers for you and me. I bought some cakes. Mom, are you sleeping?
Hello, Ella. Is Evie home?
Hello, Cora. My mom is at home, but she is still asleep.
Hi, Cora.
Hi, Evie. You know what? Our neighbors have. Evie. Are you sleeping while I'm talking? You didn't listen to anything I said? Evie.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yesterday I had to work all night. That's why I couldn't sleep the whole night.
Really? You are so hard. Next is David's story. My husband just. Evie, please wake up and listen to me.
Cora, you should go home. My mom is too tired. She is sleeping. They can't listen to anything you say attentively.
Evie, you don't respect me. Why are you sleeping while I'm talking? Is sleep so important to you? I hate you.
Hello, Mrs. Lulu.
Evie, your plan is all wrong. You didn't pay attention to work at all.
What? I worked all night.
You entered the wrong data. I just checked it. And there are many mistakes in it. Tomorrow is Monday. We have an important meeting with a client, and this is to be presented to them. You must revise your plan and fix it again.
Mrs. Lulu. But today is Sunday. I want to rest.
I don't care. I want to work done. You must complete the plan.
Mom, you don't need to take me to school today. I can go by bus. No way, Ella.
Recently, the bus in our area is often delayed. You can be late, and your teachers will be angry with you.
But yesterday you stayed up all night. I'm afraid you'll be tired. And I don't want you to be tired anymore.
I also go to work. I will take you to school.
Mom, are you sleeping? Mom, wake up. The car is being driven. I can't wake her up. If something happens, an accident will happen. Mom, please wake up. Waking her up didn't work. What should I do? I think this is the only way.
What is the smell? Oh no! It is bad. Ella, did you fart? You are not allowed to fart in the car.
Mom, you have woken up. You fell asleep while driving. I have to wake you up.
Ella, is there such a thing? It's all because of Mrs. Lulu.
Teacher Ken, can I borrow your phone?
What do you want to do? Why do you need a phone?
I have to call this person.
Hello.
Hello, Mrs. Lulu. I'm Ella. I need to talk to you.
Ella? You are Evie's daughter. We met before. I am busy now.
My mom almost caused an accident. She is very worried. Please don't make my mom work late anymore.
Is there such a thing?
That's right.
I got it. Thank you, Ella. Evie. Is she asleep? It seems like what Ella said. Ella was almost in danger. Luckily, she's okay.
Mrs. Lulu.
Evie. I'm sorry. I shouldn't request you to work overnight. I put too much burden on you. You don't sleep enough. You almost caused a traffic accident.
Mrs. Lulu. Tell, how do you know? Who told you all these things?
Ella called me. She told me everything.
Did Ella call you?
She's very worried about you.
Evie, you are so lucky. Ella is a good daughter. She is a very nice girl. She cares for her mom. You can go home early. You should take a rest.
Thank you. Mrs. Lulu. Ella. Thank you. You helped me.
If you like my channel, you can subscribe to watch more videos and my stories. Thank you so much.